Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection with beautiful 3-inch border in both sides that is done using copper zari. Excellent color combinations. Here we have a pink saree, dark magenta mixed with maroon to get a beautiful shade of pink here, dark pink, elegant color, and dark onion pink also we can call, with 3-inch border in both sides. The whole saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same concept with the pallu tassels already. Beautiful one. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection with 3 inches zari border, and copper zari is used for the zari border here. A tissue border in 3 inch, and that is in original copper, finely done. Beautiful saree, a plain saree that is in olive green shade, deep and deeper olive it is, very elegant color. And the complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same design and color. With the pallu tassels already made, it's a beautiful collection, ever wanted color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection with 3 inches border. The border is done using copper zari here, original copper used for weaving the border, and we have a beautiful pink shade color for the saree. Very elegant, always demanded pink it is, plain pink. The complete saree is hand woven. You can see the finish of the saree. It's a premium quality soft silk with the pallu as well as the blouse piece is also in the same body color with the borders. The pallu tassels are beautifully done. You can see the pallu tassels. Elegantly it's been done with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection, hand woven, premium quality soft silk in a plain version here with 3 inches zari border, a tissue border. It is a copper zari border here, and we have a bright pink shade, beautiful ever lovable pink it is. Very elegantly it's hand woven with complete saree having the same plain color. Even the pallu and the blouse piece is in same color with the borders. The pallu tassels are already made in the saree. Beautifully it's been done, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection with a 3 inches zari border. Here we have a beautiful color, a dual tone. Pink and green is mixed here to get a very fine tone. Excellent color. Both shades are visible on the saree. Very beautiful saree it is, and with a 3 inches border. Border is done using copper zari here. Original copper zari. A finely hand woven, beautiful plain saree, and it is having the complete pallu, blouse piece also in the same design of the saree with the pallu tassels already made. You can see the beautiful pallu here. Pallu tassels. Pink it is, and the waft is green. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain collection with a 3-inch copper zari borders, a beautiful color, a goldish pink and orange mixed shade it is. It's a dual tone. The always demanded beautiful color it is. You can see the goldish glow on the saree. Very perfect, beautiful finish, premium quality soft silk it is with a 3 inches copper zari border. Original copper zari is used for the borders here. Complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse piece is in the same color and plain version with the border. The pallu tassels are beautifully made in the saree. The whole saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection, completely hand woven, beautiful design, a premium quality soft silk with a 3 inches zari border. Here a tissue zari is done using copper zari, and you can see the fine finish of the saree. The saree color is a very beautiful pastel shade, a turquoise green and blue, or a sea blue we can call this, a beautiful color with the complete pallu and blouse piece also in the same color with the border. The pallu tassels are also pre-made here. Finely hand woven, elegant saree in an excellent color, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful collection, plain collection it is, rare color, a pastel blue, violet, blue and violet mixture shade it is, A mild half white is mixed with a violet color, which gives a beautiful tone. A very rare tone. You can see both half white tone as well as violet tone on the saree. A premium quality soft silk, hand woven, excellent collection with 3 inches zari border, a tissue border done using copper zari here. Original copper is the zari used here. Finely hand woven, beautiful saree in complete plain version. The blouse as well as the pallu is also in the same plain version with border. The pallu tassels are very elegantly done. Beautiful saree, excellent combo, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain collection with beautiful 3 inches copper zari border. So tissue copper border it is. A very elegant color. The saree is a dark shade color, deep olive green mixed with black to get a beautiful tone. You can see the finish of the saree. It's a fine finish, beautiful color, dark tone too, and you can see the copper zari is looking really fantastic on this dark tone. Original copper used. 3 inches border. All over the saree, the same concept comes even in the pallu as well as in the blouse piece. Plain pallu. And we have the tassels, which is already made very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a hand woven beautiful plain saree here with a 3 inches copper zari border. A very elegant color. It's a dual tone for the pink lovers. Almost all ladies love pink. Here we have a light baby pink mixed with a candy kind pink, which is giving a beautiful sweet pink tone. Really fantastic color, very attractive one with a 3 inches zari border. It's a tissue border done using original copper zari. A finely hand woven, very beautiful saree. Complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color, and the pallu tassels are already beautifully made. Excellent color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful collection. Plain saree collection with 3 inches zari border. Here we have copper zari border. The saree here is a pastel, a turquoise green, very elegant one. Half white is mixed with turquoise green to get a beautiful pastel shade color for the pastel lovers with a 3 inches border that is done using original copper zari. It's a tissue border, a finely hand woven beautiful saree in a pastel version. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color with same design, and the pallu tassels are very elegantly already made with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection in excellent 3 inch zari border, a tissue border that is done using copper zari here. A finely hand woven beautiful saree in a bright and attractive combination color. Bright orange and bright pink is mixed here, and most prominently we see orange and mild pink shade. Really fantastic, very elegant color, an attractive color too. Completely hand woven collection, and we have the pallu tassels already made. The pallu, blouse piece and body are same color with same design. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful hand woven plain saree with 3 inches copper zari border. Here we have a beautiful dual tone color. You can see here, very different and beautiful dual tone it is. A rare color to grab. Yellow mixed with very elegant purple to get a beautiful tone. We get a beautiful goldish tone it is. Very beautiful one. You can see the tone of violet here. Very beautifully it's done. Completely a premium quality hand woven soft silk with 3 inches copper zari border. Original copper zari is used for the tissue border here. Elegant one, and complete saree as well as the blouse piece are in same color and plain version, and with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful color, a rare color to grab with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful plain collection with a 3 inch zari border. Copper zari used here. The color of the saree is a beautiful purple, excellent purple shade. Proper purple color in a dark version. Very beautiful one with 3 inches copper zari border. Border is also beautifully done. Completely a beautiful hand woven excellent saree. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece have the same concept with the pallu tassels already. Elegant color with authentic silk.